just gonna jump right into the video. Open up Picsart, go all the way, scroll all the way down to the background section and go to the invisible background. That's the dotted one, and then you're gonna go to text, and then the text I will be using is Malaysian circa. And first I just add the first letter, which is a B, because I want my picture in the B and I want it to be different from every other color in the letters, if that make any sense. And then we're just gonna make that bigger, clicking the arrow in the bottom right hand corner, and then I add the rest of the text for beauty. We're gonna make that smaller using the same arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Gonna make the B a little bigger because I want to just add a Y. I don't want two B's in the logo. Then we're gonna go to add text again and add the Y. Then to make it smaller, the same arrow in the bottom right hand corner and add it closer to the B. Then you're gonna add the C with two E's. I'm using the same font for everything. So then we're gonna make that smaller as well using the same arrow in the bottom right hand corner. And we're gonna add some color to that. So you just click the plus sign and go to color. Then you're gonna go to texture, and then you're gonna choose the picture that you want for the letter B. I mean, you're gonna do it for all the letters, but the B is separate. So I'll put my picture in the B. That's not the current picture I have right now, but this is just to show you guys how you do it. And then we're gonna go to the beauty, and I use a rose gold theme. I got all of these from Google, so you could get your backgrounds from Google as well if you want. There's the rose gold. I'm going to do that for their Y and the C as well. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to add the stroke, which is to make the letters highlighted, and I wanted it in pink. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I got a little confused here, but yeah, you're basically doing the same thing. You're going to add the stroke to beauty as well. Well, beauty, because it's without the B, of course. And then you're going to go back, and then you're going to add another image, which will be the brushes, which is not on my previous logo, but I mean, it's not on my logo right now, but I am adding it. So it will be makeup brushes, since I do makeup as well. And you're just gonna tilt that using the arrow in the bottom, in the top right hand corner. That's how you tilt it. And you just get it how big you want it to be. Yeah, explaining this is harder than I thought. I'm trying my best because I can't even see the screen first of all, and I recorded this before doing my voiceover, so it's kind of hard, but bear with me. So the next thing you're going to do, since you want the brushes in the back of the letters, you're gonna go to blend, and then you're gonna go all the way to darken, so that makes it in the background instead of in front. And then if you want the brushes a little lighter, you're gonna erase which I did here a little bit. But then I didn't like how it looked when it was erased. So I ended up just leaving it how it was. But I'm just working with the size because I couldn't see anything actually. So I was working with the size. There I was trying to erase it to make it blend in more, but I didn't like how it looked. So I just left it as it was. You could see the letters clearly and the brushes is still in the back, so it looks perfectly fine to me. I don't know what I was doing here. I think I was just a bit confused because I did this before. So this was just for the sake of the video. And since this is how I wanted it to look, it was looking perfectly fine to me. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And you just click save, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.